Okay, friends, today we're going to make cream of mushroom soup from scratch. This is Chef Basney. I'll be your instructor for the day. First, you start out by preheating a medium sauce pot over medium-high heat. So,
where's your apron?
I'm sorry, I don't have an apron. I could go get one and put it on real fast so I don't get my clothes dirty, but I do have a towel, so I'm good. Alright, so you heat the pot before you put anything in it. A lot of people mess this up because once you put something in it, it takes longer for it to heat up. So it's more like a speed thing. Okay, so it doesn't take very long to get it hot. Once you put it on there, it's probably hot already. Preheat the pot. Take a nice pat of butter there. And start that. Melt that down a little bit. And then you take, I got 4 ounces of mushrooms sliced up. I'm going to saute these down. Saute means to jump in French. To jump. So you gotta throw them around. That's sauteing. If it don't move, it's not sauteing. Turn this up on. I'm going to cook these down until they start turning lightly brown. You get all the water and moisture out of the mushrooms. That's what you need to do. I lost one. It take too long to cook up mushrooms. This could even use a little more butter. I'm going to throw another pat in there. You never have too much butter. If you ask a Frenchman how much butter he wants, he'll tell you you don't have enough butter, don't worry about it. Alright, it's getting hot now. Starting to get there. Maybe 3 to 5 minutes takes on the mushrooms, cook them down before you get all the moisture out of it, if you get it on medium-high. The higher you got, obviously, the faster it is. Keep it moving, you don't want to burn them. I lost one here, throw that one back in. Let's see, one's sticking to the pan here. Most people think of cream of mushroom soup, they think of in a can, which is sad because it doesn't really compare at all to making it from scratch. Mushrooms are starting to brown a little bit. Heat's a little high. This electric stove doesn't like to cooperate. It's either too high or too low all the time. But if you keep it moving, even if it is too high, you're not going to burn them. They like to stick though. Alright, they're starting to shrink down. Starting to brown up a little bit. Just take some out for garnish. Not all of them. just maybe an ounce or so, just for some texture when we're done here. Take the rest. Now throw 4 ounces of celery and 4 ounces of onion. You want to sweat your onion and your celery so it becomes translucent. About 3 to 5 minutes on that too.
Did you cut commercial?
Oh yeah, that smells good. Already.
Great. From the fist of the biggest horses of all California.
Alright. It's getting close. The onions are starting to get translucent, clear, spread them out. Keep moving it, I got on high. So I gotta keep moving it, I'm cooking it fast. I started out with about 6 ounces of mushrooms. You can always double the recipe, make it smaller, however you want to do it. Multiply, subtract, divide. Alright. The timer here.
Stephanie's got her head nailed in again. I told her it wasn't gas, it ain't gonna work.
Yeah, it's not the same cooking on gas as electric. It ain't gonna work. Alright.
Colorful, green and yellow. Red.
Okay, now that they're translucent and they've sweated the celery and onions, now I'm adding 2 cups chicken stock.
Yeah.
2 cups of chicken stock.
Oh.
I'm going to bring that to a boil. Once that comes to a boil, I have 2 ounces of a blonde roux that's chilled. I'm going to add to it and whisk in. Let's wait for this to come to a boil. Turn it up. Now you want to start with a blonde roux, not a brown or a black roux. Get some good color on it. It takes less time to cook the flour out, finish the flour.